Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to open up a couple of my toys that I purchased previously. Yeah, I'm gonna do that today. And as you can see right in front of you, there's some Marvel Legends that I recently opened up from my mail. It was a lot of four. From the Winter Soldier, from the Mandroid Wave, except for Maria Hill. She's from 3-pack, like I told you, that's exclusive. But anyways, in today's video, I'm going to open up this guy right here, my alien xenomorph from Neca, and I'm excited about unboxing this guy right here. And then also I'm going to open up, it's kind of hard to put in view, the blimp. So I'm going to open up my TMNT retro blimp. So yeah, so I'm gonna see how I'm gonna do it. But yeah, I'm gonna do that too as well. Unbox the blimp and my xenomorph alien prototype from NECA. Yeah, so here we go. I'm gonna take a sip of my coffee. Good morning, by the way, you guys. So let's start with my alien here. In the box. Freaking cool looking figure, you guys. Wow, I'm gonna have a lot of fun with him. Oh man, he looks sick. Wow. He feels good in the hand too. Man, look at all that detail. You can tell. Wow. I'm amazed. Oh man, he looks awesome. Damn. So yeah, this is from the Alien movie. This is the prototype Alien, the suit, the champ, the xenomorph. Man, he looks so freaking cool. And I think he stands, like if you stand him up completely, standing up, he stands around, I think about 8.5 inches tall. Yeah, around 8.5 inches. And as you can see, he can still stand without his tail being supported. You know, like, see? So he stands without using the tail. So that's good. That's really good. He does have articulation. Let's see. But first, I'm gonna go through the articulation. But first, I'm gonna just, take a closer look at the figure. Oh wow, man, the color is really nice. Look at the detail. His teeth. It's like a metal color. And then his jaw opens up too. Like that. And then this thing inside, it comes out, but there we go. I thought I was gonna have a hard time taking this piece out. Yeah, there it is. Freaking awesome. Let's see. His arms. Let's see. Goes this much far out. Okay. Can he rotate his arm? Yes, he can. And then he has a hinge. Let me see. Yeah, is it double jointed? Yeah, it's double jointed. Double jointed elbows. What's up? Yeah, what's up? Yeah, and then does he have a swivel at his hands? Oh yeah, he does have a swivel. Like, at his wrist, a swivel and a hinge. Oh man, that's freaking cool. Damn, look at the hands. Wow. And then the head, I mean, his head does move, but it's limited, cause of the shoulder, the suit. So it can only move side to side this much to the side, but not bad really. And then down, you can look down. And then you could look up, this much far up, not too much. I think you can take this tubing piece off. And then, I don't know if it does come off, but I think it does. I think it does. I'm not sure. It seems like it does, but it's really in there. But I mean, if it does, if you take it off, then yeah, you have more range of the head, and so you can look a bit further up, not too much though. But yeah, I mean, I'm gonna just leave it on there, that tubing, because it might restrict the head more. But I'm not gonna you know. I mean, it's not big of a difference for the alien to look up. So, yeah, I'm gonna just leave that tubing on there. It's because it just looks more complete. If if I take it off, it's gonna look off. I don't know. It might look, okay, but yeah, it's gonna have a pig hole at the back. If you do take the tubing off, so. But I'm gonna just leave it on there for now. And then, pretty good articulation on his arm, and then his waist is like it swivels like side to side, and then the ab crunch, like the ab doesn't go forward too much. It doesn't. I mean, he doesn't bend too much forward, and then back. He has more range going back than going forward. And then he tilts side to side. So pretty good range like that, range of motion. And then his legs can go, let's see, this much far out. Can do the splits. Can kick forward this much far forward. This much far back. Really, really good. His knees, I think his knees are double jointed, so that's really good. Let's see what else. His foot, he has a hinge at the ankle, so it could go up and down. Not too much, but it does have the hinge articulation there. And then, does it have an ankle pivot? Oh, I mean, yeah, it does. It pivots, and then a hinge at the toes. So really, really good. And then his tail, it's movable. It's a wired metal tail. So I mean, I think it starts from here, from the base, and then goes all the way to nearly all the way to the tip. It probably stops right there. I think I can see it right there, somewhere around there. And then you can just, bend how you want it. And that's it about the articulation. I mean, man, this is just an awesome looking figure. Yeah, this is just like the prototype, the color. And maybe if in the future I might get the black suit one. If I come across. Before I came across the black suit ones, but I just just never picked them up. I always they look cool though, but I just never picked them up. But now if I see them again, the black suit version, then yeah, I definitely will pick them up. Just to have both colors. Okay, you guys. Here's a little display of the alien grabbing a hold of Black Widow here. Man, it just looks sick. I love it. I love it. Wow. Awesome. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with him. Yeah. So, yeah, no problem. Look at the balance, man. He's not even using his tail, so. Wow. Freaking awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay. So now I'm gonna put Black Widow back. Come on, let go of her. I know she's delicious, but I mean, maybe later. Alright. Alright, that's it, you guys, for my xenomorph. Now I'm gonna go ahead and open up my TMNT turtle blimp. I'm gonna just open it up and I'll show the accessories or what it comes with, and I'm gonna try to put it together and go from there. Alright, I already laid the accessories for the blimp, and then the instruction manual is here. So I just attached the fins to the blimp, the hooks, and then like how to attach the clips and everything to the turtles. Yeah, see how it goes. I think the biggest challenge is to blow the blimp up. It's gonna take a little time. I don't know. It might be a challenge. Alright. So this is the base. Oh man, it's all like kind of tangled when I was trying to take it out. But yeah, I'm not gonna bore you with this. I'm just kind of adjust it for now. Alright, I fixed them. The lines were tangled up. And then this is how you crank it. There you go. Next one. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do that for the other side. There it is on both sides. Now I can attach the fins to the blimp, and then this as well. Yeah, the hardest part is gonna be blowing up the blimp. So be right back. Alright guys, I'm halfway there with the blimp. I'm blowing up the blimp. I'm using my mouth because I don't have an air pump. I recommend getting an air pump and pump the blimp because it's faster, easier. But yeah, the struggle is real, guys. The struggle is real. So I'm almost there. So it takes about like an hour or so. Nah, I'll say about like a good hour, So you really have to give it some good blows. Yeah, so I'm still at it. I did it, you guys, after a good amount of time. And several blows. Mission accomplished. Now what I'm gonna do is put the fins on her. It comes with 4. So I'm gonna do that right now. Alright, you guys, finally finished it. Blowing up the blimp. After several blows later, I finally did it. And here it is. Oh, it's gonna. There it is, guys. Finally. Yeah. This blimp is pretty cool, I gotta say. Yeah, I will probably display it somewhere. But yeah. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to show you guys. I already finished the blimp, assembling it, and yeah, now I'm gonna take it out because it's getting a bit too crowded. I'm gonna see if I can attach the Donatello that I have onto the blimp. So be right back, guys. Okay, you guys, here's Donatello on the blimp. Up close. So you can't use both his arms attached to the the sticks. Only one hand. And that's about it. And then I have Donatello attached to the anchor right here on his belt, attached to his belt. And then you can just press this button right here and then he'll go down. There you go. And then just wind him up. I got you, Black Widow. I'm here to help. I'm here to save you. Freaking awesome. Okay. That's just a little sample with Donatello and the blimp and how you can use the turtles. So yeah, that's it for now, you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching, and I'm out, you guys. Bye. See you on the next one.